Distance please, keep distance.
No, it's all subsidies. On the 19th, we'll know.
Today the order is adjourned because of the shortage of staff today, and she will pronounce on 19th of this month. So that's what.
He said it's some reason.
What about your hopes? The clear acquittal in this particular case, and that's a good case for us. So now 19th we'll see her.
So why it is postponed? Because of
Lack of staff, especially. Correct. Lack of staff today. There is no 20% staff because of COVID. So we have adjourned it on 19 for it. So 19 they will definitely pronounce. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Yes.
So I think some of you were in the court hall.
yes, sir. What happened today?
Yeah, the case, as you know, the judge adjourned the judgment in the case to the 19th.
So any reason?
Reason being that the court is understaffed because of the new SOPs due to the high rise in and infections, right? And that's the reason which has been given by the court. They are actually operating on 50% strength of staff right now, just 15%. So it's quite a challenge, no? So the judge said I will need another week. So as you know, there's a lot to read, too many volumes, lot to dictate. So therefore, I think we can grant the court that 15% staff strength that's a huge challenge. So 19th morning, done.
So why day by day adjourning on the case?
Right? Because as you know, the last time again, earlier it was a reduced staff strength, but not to the extent of 15%. But now it is 15%. There's been a further reduction in the staff strength. And therefore, it calls for, steno notes there, copies have to be made, toners are missing, So a lot of stationery has to be in place. Because soon after the judgment is pronounced, copies have to be furnished.
So what about your hope?
Pardon?
What about your next hope, sir?
Next hope, well, is the judgment. And hopefully, justice will be done. That is the hope.
Thank you.